Alright, Cameron, let's show a little bit of extroverted thinking.
Okay. Piece A.
This says number 3 on it. That says number 3 on it over there.
We don't usually use instructions, but A, I think Eric's got 3, and D, what's the one that's opposite 3? E times, oh, it's E.
No, it's 3.
I don't know.
It says 3, 3.
Fine with me. E times 2. Oh, it says a 3 on it, because that's this back post here. Totally. The long ones are E.
Alright, so what kind of...
No, this
the
is
long ones? The long bolts?
You might have to switch to another page to get how you attach A's and what's it called, what the holes look like. And there's only going to be one thing that fits in there, probably. But do we want to do instructions or instruction free?
Instructions, I guess.
Alright, we'll do this. The one that's 3 is L. And so L you have 8. The thing you have 8 of that looks like that. One goes across. One goes across the bottom. Is that? It is a nice tool. Does it only fit that one size? Is that it? If you live your whole life with like 8mm or 6mm, then it's going to be your friend. But I have one of those that's got 1/4 inch bits, of course. Okay, we got, yeah, we got 4. What's D? D's the one. Oh, and you know what? I'm not going to make this mega tight just because we want D to fit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we want D to fit. Who wouldn't want D to fit?
I know. And there's got to be something long called the E.
I don't see any D though. Is this D?
Oh, labels and everything. This is dude. 2 goes around here. This has got to be 2 around here. And hey, is the I think we screwed up. See? Again? No? No, we didn't screw up. We're all cool.
Right there, we just did it. Oh, we didn't.
We totally didn't screw up. And these take S. And the S is a set of 14.
Yeah, I think this should be D, but it doesn't say D.
It's got 7 and 8. See, it's 7 and 8 on it. That's that headboard thing, so I'm going to say no.
Is D a metal bar?
D looks like it'll be a metal bar. It's got to be something.
Oh, that's it. You already got D.
Is this D?
This is D.
It's got freaking numbers on it. It's got numbers and letters.
Yeah. Yeah, I got kind of black in the corner.
Sorry, viewers.
Alright, there's D, so we got D.
And you know what? We'll tighten this, but just not all too much. Just so it all gets punched together in a very
Okay. I'm deferring your superior judgment with matters, Cameron.
Oh man, I feel so good about my skills. All right.
This should be a
Is that E?
It should be an E.
It's got to be E. It's long and it's.
I actually don't see any E on
There
it.
are two. It's got 11 on it. And yeah, 11 is on E. So 11 touches this side, and so does that other 11. So here,
Tilting it up. Tilting it up.
yeah. Here, let's get the viewers at home to see a nice view. Watch.
So, what do we do next?
Then what's 2 connect? What is the 2 connect to? Is it 11? 11. Oh no, you probably put bolts in from this side, which are probably going to be in the number of 8, you would think.
Or 4. There's got to be like. Yeah?
That one has 11 on it, right?
Yeah.
L. Is L? Coming through back here.
Okay, but here's the problem. It's got a win on it. See that?
Is there a problem?
Yeah.
No?
Look, it's got a poker.
Does it not have a hole for that to
It's got this poker.
Oh, it's because look what we did. The hole's on this side, and we did put this on wrong, and put the, we have to turn this around and put it on this side, turn this around, put it on that side.
Okay.
It's alright. You're done before you cry about it.
Okay.
I failed. I'm gonna
This is hard.
support. Oh.
This is hard.
That's why you don't use a glue on the first step when you do these things.
Okay.
Or else.
Head rush, guy. I stood up too quick.
You need to eat more cheese, Eric. That's the problem there.
So yeah, this is kind of actually a weirdly emotional kind of moment for me, actually. I was thinking about standing out there that it's kind of a defining life event when a parent gets put into a home. Now, granted, this place is pretty nice. I mean, I really like the rooms you got too. I'll show where you live. It's got all these windows. It's got this like corner room and you know, the caregiving here is very, very good. You can tell everybody's really well cared for. And of course my dad is nervous anyway. But what are you gonna do? Let's see if it works from this angle. There, that's better. Alright, so I'm gonna try to start.
Oh my god.
What?
This goes on that side and that goes on that side.
Well, that's what you get for letting me start doing things, camera.
It works that way with me too. It's fine.
It's just the nature of TE, huh?
It's the nature of, you can't really follow directions like that. It's a whole different language. You have to do that for a living and you still do it wrong. There's no way to just get it every time.
Alright, I'm gonna try to start combining all these trashes into one trash. Alright.
Remember what B.A. Baracus' special skill was?
Pitying fools?
Using his hands as a wrench.
Oh.
He didn't need the tool set. He was such a badass mofo. There we
to
go.
me. You're the BA.
Oh my god, dude, does
I
that...
use my fingers.
Am I gonna hurt somebody? Look, this is covering. So what's the deal? What went
The
wrong?
middle hole.
Seriously.
Oh, this must be on the other side. Yeah.
Oh my god. The TE on this one. Or whatever letter
That's
you
definitely
choose.
TE, dog.
T.
That's some T motherfucking E.
And so this attaches through what means?
Like this. Now look, this other thing, I don't know, maybe we have to put the other one in first, okay?
Oh yeah. What's that thing that pops on top of it?
That's
that we
this
just
one.
tried.
Alright? This one goes like this, see?
And then that all screws together.
It goes in that hole right there. This is
So you
11.
need the long screw. This one takes a this this one.
Yeah,
all right,
this one.
all right. And so yeah, that's gonna make sense. I'm gonna just prop this up there, prop this up. Not break anything, hopefully.
So I'm thinking maybe these things are on the wrong side.
Do you?
Oh wait.
I don't know. How does that?
Well, because look, if it wants to be on the same side,
What does this thing look like?
it should be on the same side as this one, right?
Let's just look at this for half a sec. Where's stuff go? If you're looking at the top of the bed, the right side should have an.
Okay, it's got to come in from the other side.
So this needs to be there. So this piece goes there, that piece goes here in the same orientation is what you think? Let's try it.
I don't know.
Let's take out these two screws up here, Eric. Get those two using the BA Baracus hands. And we'll figure it out one way or another.
Baracus hands, activate. A beautiful.
Column and Murdoch.
Okay.
So 11's your side. Let's see what it looks like. Even though I swapped that earlier. I changed it earlier. So give me the 12, please. Am I right?
Here's the
You're looking
12.
at the bed like this. 11's on your side. 12 is on this side.
Let's
think
get
so.
these things attached first.
Yeah, that's 12.
The 12 goes to the 12, right? There's 12 over there. But
12 touches a 12.
There's
And
12.
there's a 12. And there's a 12. And so this goes
And look.
in like
so the poker part goes,
this. Goes like that.
yeah, and then these
And
go in
then-
from the other side.
Only this bar, I think, is part of it, doesn't it? Because that's how that one,
Oh yeah,
I
you're
believe
right.
that one has to go in there. So this says 2 on it. So does this say 2 on it? 2 is this side. Which,
Like this.
how the heck? Oh, it's like this, it's back here. Because, look, this is really this orientation, okay? This goes to the foot of the bed, which we'll, here, let go and all. This is how it looks. It's back here. That's the back of the bed. The headboard's up there. This crossbar goes this way. And so, let me just get
It's
2
gotta go.
bolts into this one through that, and then we can attach your side just like this. Although it doesn't, it's not.
I got the right one.
No, that can attach to this, and this has its own screws. Yes. Let's try it, okay. This has its own screw, and that also has its own short screw, not long screw.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You know, it looks like it's L's. These are L's too.
But look at that hole though. That won't work. Yeah, you gotta have this working.
Alright, we're making progress.
Yeah.
Really good. Okay.
Sweet. Now your side, you need this piece, your 11 piece vertical, and then long screws. These guys, 1, 2.
God damn it, I broke my glasses.
Is it permanent broke?
Yeah.
Super glue.
No.
They're broken. Yeah,
Such is life.
that's
That's TE for you.
You
Okay.
could make them a permanent open sunglass with super glue, but you may not prefer that type of sunglass. Oh yeah, so those go together by long screws.
So
with this Velcro side, like boom.
let's get this one.
Okay, that goes with small screws.
Okay. Now this one go like yeah.
Nice.
All right.
The rest is probably going to be almost instruction free.
Now we're totally winning.
You need to, we could pull it over there for your nicer camera shot, or do you want to put the headboard on there?
Let's put the headboard on.
All right, so that goes in with this length.
Remember we should put we should put the bottom legs on first.
All right, let's drag this over so unless you want to reconfigure your camera, maybe put the camera there and then they'll see this end. So we're going to be here. I don't know, whatever you think.
I think it's fine the way it is.
Okay. All right, so I see a number 9. That means I get that metal one. And then we go like this. Inside of it, it pops inside of it entirely. And we're just going to use a short screw.
Does it use a short screw?
Yeah, because it won't get out the other side.
Oh, I see. Everybody says me. What? Two. And yeah. Now what connects these two? Oh, that's this one.
That would make sense. With maybe, I don't know, short ones?
Like this.
Looks like short ones gonna. Eric, do you know what Covfeef means?
Covfeef?
Covfeef, I think.
No.
Okay. It's like an internet word that popped into my brain, and my brain's wondering, what does that mean? It's like a thing that I think I'm just so dissociated from reality that I don't know popular meme things.
I don't know it either.
So, if we're really smart, we kind of just make sure it seems kind of square, and maybe, or no, let's do this. Last piece, and then tighten it up.
What size do we have for those?
This is probably short. Oh no, it's long. 4 long. So these must like Velcro across the bottom, and that'll help. Well, let's just tighten this sucker up. It's got it lined up pretty square no matter what happens.
They gave us an Allen wrench too, so
Oh,
we
okay.
can tighten concurrently.
For the wife.
Yeah, I guess that's me.
Yep.
I'm using the Allen wrench, that means I'm the
Like,
wife.
just in case there's someone who can't handle the ratchet. You know? Oh no, we can't reverse that ratchet. You wouldn't notice the part on it. that
Honey,
makes it
honey,
reverse.
just give me the ratchet, you take the Allen wrench.
We'll see who can go faster. I'm gonna give you the better tool. It's simpler, honey. You'll like it more. You'll be better with the simpler tool. And then the thing to not do here is to strip them out and then forever have a more rickety bed than just a sort of rickety bed.
I'm not stripping them, thank you for the advice, though, I appreciate it. You know I can always benefit from a little TE advice.
But the quality is good because it has little metal bungs instead of just stripping out wood or whatever, compared to some.
It also has these little, is that what you're talking about, the cushion thing?
The little metal parts that are threaded with metal, not just like wood.
Oh, well that, yeah, but like also it's got these kind of,
Oh, the lock washers, the
Yeah.
split
Yeah,
lock
yeah.
washer type.
yeah.
Yeah,
Alright, looks like we're good.
we've got some more bolts though. What do those do? Uh-oh, look at the TESI number letters on these guys. Extra parts. Well, maybe those bolt down.
Maybe they did. I don't think so.
Oh, but watch. I go like this, and you go like that in a different way for the camera. You know what I'm saying?
Like this?
Yeah. Get it right back there, and it's like the earliest film movies.
It is?
Yeah, we just created a new art form, Eric.
Okay, sounds good. Alright. Please peel off the upper strip.
What's that mean?
And when you put the bed down here, it's got this strip that is sticky. Don't peel it off till you put the bed down.
Which, this thing?
Yeah,
Peel off the strip that says peel it off.
right.
Okay.
What I'm saying is don't peel it off until we're ready to put the thing down.
Oh, it's non-slip tape. Now I understand what that is. Okay, that's good. And what do you say getting this started at this end? God.
That's how you need to do it, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
But you can say pure and it makes people happier.
okay.
God.
Like
Alright.
this?
Well, get it justified to that end.
Okay.
Alright, and then all this stuff's gonna line up.
Nice use of the verb justify.
Yep. Alright,
All right.
and we've got bolts left.
So where do we not put bolts
Oh,
out?
does that feet or something? Oh, these aren't all the way tight. Hee hee. I don't know, underneath it, does it have, what else is in the box? What'd we miss?
That's it.
Oh, maybe it's extra, because people are like, oh, it didn't come with all the bolts, and my dog ate it, you know, so. That could just be extra, because I don't think we missed anything.
Okay.
Because, yeah, there's no,
Feels sturdy.
yeah, it's good, quality. They should get this for the high schoolers.
Sturdy like your mom.
Alright, that's tight. That's pretty good.
Alright, let's move it over where it's supposed to go, right here. There we go. Bed put together. Now,
I just did a Laurel and Hardy bag.
is that how we're on Hardy Bag?
Yeah, that's this is all about the historical record of how movies developed. There was no sound, there was just skit type of comedy.
Alright, well, that's us putting together the bed frame. Have a happy day.